Okay, so how do we create the views in the MVC? Let's say you're going to the whatever the controller you have. Let's say here you are creating an action method. Um, So here I'll simply say return view because I want to design a view and go display that view. So I said what? Return view, which returns to what? Its particular view page, right? That is .cs HTML page. Now, how to add a view? To add the view, we right click on it and we say add view. As soon as you say add view, you get this screen. You do no changes except if you have anything selected here, uncheck all the options and just say add. As soon as you say add, the same folder with the name controller which is added in the views, there a .cs HTML page will be created.
Right.
So this is taking some background actions to complete. Yes, as soon as we get this .cs HTML, see this one.
Right.
So here you can do your own HTML coding like contact online dgTraining at gmail.com, something like this. So now when you run this, yeah, like this we'll get the output. So this is a simple basic view that how we work with the views.